Sofia, and welcome to Learn Crypto's Extra Learning video series, where we break down the complex world of cryptocurrency into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. Today, we're diving into a comparison between cryptocurrency brokers and exchanges, helping you navigate the exciting world of buying and selling digital assets. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. First, let's understand what a cryptocurrency exchange is. A cryptocurrency exchange is like a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. It's like a stock exchange, but for digital assets. On the left, we have a cryptocurrency exchange interface, and on the right, a broker's interface. A cryptocurrency broker acts as an intermediary between you and the cryptocurrency market. They facilitate your trades by buying or selling cryptocurrencies on your behalf at a set price. It's a bit like dealing with a real estate agent who helps you buy or sell a property. With a broker, you don't have to manage your trades directly on an exchange. The broker takes care of the technicalities for you. Let's compare cryptocurrency brokers and exchanges in terms of speed, fees, convenience, and control. Cryptocurrency exchanges can sometimes offer faster transaction speeds because you're directly interacting with the market. Brokers, on the other hand, might have a slight delay as they process transactions for you. Exchanges typically charge a lower fee per trade compared to brokers. Brokers make money through the spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling prices. And then there's convenience. Brokers provide a more user-friendly interface, making it easier for beginners to navigate the crypto world. Exchanges, on the other hand, might have a steeper learning curve for newcomers. Another consideration is exchanges give you more control over your trades, enabling you to set specific buying or selling prices. Brokers handle this for you, which can be a plus if you prefer a more hands-off approach. In conclusion, both cryptocurrency brokers and exchanges have their pros and cons. If you're new to crypto and prefer simplicity, a broker might be the way to go. If you're more experienced and value control and lower fees, an exchange may suit you better. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the differences between exchanges and brokers. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more crypto-related content. And of course, if you'd like to learn more, head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a Beginner's Guide course.